Hi, this is Jennifer Kronk, and this is a super fast tutorial just to introduce you to the Screencastify extension, which is right here. Screencastify can be found by going to the Chrome Web Store and typing in Screencastify. This topic came up earlier today because I had the pleasure of seeing the work one fourth grade student did in Hastings on his own. He used Google Slides, and then he used the Screencastify extension to narrate his presentation, and it came out beautifully. And so I thought it'd be useful for everybody to take a look at this and see how valuable it could be. Here's my Screencastify. You can see that it's already added to my browser. Whenever you add something to your browser, you need to make sure that you authenticate it and that you approve it. You will be taken through about 3 levels of saying, yes, I want to allow this to use. It'll ask you to access your Google Apps account. And once you go through that, it will add itself to the top of your screen. When I click on Screencastify, I have several options available to me. I can record the tab, which means it's only going to record what happens in this tab. So if I shift over to this one, or if I shift over here, it doesn't matter. It's only going to record what's happening in this tab. If I select desktop, this is the one that I frequently use whenever I do my updates. If I click on desktop and then start recording, it actually records the entire window. So if I need to toggle between tabs, it's perfectly fine. My viewers can still see everything that I'm doing. And if I just want to record my camera, I can select camera, and I also can show preview window. And when I start recording, you can see that it'll actually show you what I look like right now. Hi. So those are the 3 ways that you can use Screencastify to record what's happening on your screen. When you press stop after you've recorded, it's going to bring up a preview, which I just stopped. And then it also gives you the option up here to view your recordings. Now, when I got prompted to give Screencastify permissions to my Google Apps, I also said that I wanted to save it to Drive. So that's one of the beautiful things about Screencastify is it creates a folder in your Drive. Here it is right here in my Drive. This happens to be one of my Screencastify folders. I do have many. And I can then share any one of these, and this is how I do my updates. I click on Screencastify, I grab the link here, and I copy and paste it any way I need to. So right now I have this public. I can change these any way I need to. So most likely what I would do, if it's an update that's public that I'm sending to more than one district, I make it public. If it's specific to the district, I make it within that domain. I would select one of these links, copy the link, and then put it in my update. Now, something to think about also is that I've used Screencastify to leave feedback for my students. I am much faster going through a written document and doing a recording, speaking about the changes that need to be done, than I would be if I'm actually going in physically leaving comments. Just something to think about. So this was just a very brief introduction to Screencastify. If you would like to know more about its functionality, please feel free to sign me out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.